Garlic talaga to, kaya lang parang niluto siya sa rice cooker. Ang dami, no? Daming binigay sa akin ng kaibigan. Rice black, ano po to? Garlic po ito, pero niluluto to sa rice cooker. Niluluto siya sa rice cooker para maging ganito siya. Ano to, kinakakain, pinapapak. Mahal daw to eh. Mahal. Dami. Nakita ko to sa isang vlogger na nasa Japan. Binag nito. 1 week daw to niluluto sa rice cooker. Bawang siya. Bawang talaga siya. Pero nagiging itim na naman. Niluluto na siya. Nilagyan na. Diba? Tikman natin itong itim na bawang. Sarap ito. Matamis siya. Hindi siya lasang bawang. Tamis. Kaya siyang, alam mo yung sampalok na hilaw. Ganun lasa niya. First time ko makatikim ito. Actually, nakikita ko lang to sa vlog ng Pilipina na nasa Japan. Pinatikim ko nga yung amo ko nito. Hindi niya masarap. Pero ang lambot lang. Para talaga siyang sampalok. Yung sampalok na hinog. Anong lasa niya? Ano daw to? Paggawa nito. Niluluto sa rice cooker ng 1 week. Ano lang siya? Salo, ano lang. Mababang ano lang. Sa 1 week. Ganun lang paggawa nito. Sarap. Okay. Try nyo.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a bad loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, sweat it, I never back up. I don't miss a thing or regret.